Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to calculate boundary work for two different paths between same two states and prove that work is a path function, not a state function. Let us get started. A gas in a piston cylinder undergoes two paths from state 1 to state 2. So state 1 P1 is 200 kilopascal, V1 0.05 meter cube. State 2 P2 is 100 kilopascal and V2 0.01 meter cube. Path A is an isothermal expansion. Path B follows a linear PV relation. We will calculate boundary work for each path using engineering sign convention. Work done by the system, that is positive. So WB is equal to V1 to V2 PdV. Look at the PV diagram. Both paths connect the same two end state, point 1 at top left and point 2 at the bottom right. But the areas under the two curves are clearly different. That is the key idea. Now here for path A isothermal expansion, for isothermal process PV is equal to constant. So C is equal to P1 V1. So 200 into 0.05, so 10 kilopascal meter cube. So P will be 10 by V. So now here WA is equal to 0 to 0.5 to 0.10, 10 by V dV. So if I do the integration, means it is a PdV. So if we do the integration, so WA will be 6.93 kilojoule. And path B is that linear PV diagram. So when P varies linearly with V, the area under the curve is a trapezoid. So from here WB is equal to P1 plus P2 by 2, P2 minus V1, that is 7.53 kilojoule. You can see that. So that path V, so it is a trapezoid, and another is path 1, that is the area under the curve. So integration of PdV. So both cases we have calculated that W. So WB for path A, WA is equal to 6.93 kilojoule and WB is equal to 7.50 kilojoule. So from here we can see that there is that WA not equal to WB. So same end state but different work value. Now here is the summary table. So P1 V1, that is 200 kilopascal, 0.05 meter cube. For path B, both that state here that P1 V1 and P2 V2 is given, and WB, so path A, so W means work done, so that is 6.93 kilojoule for path A, path B 7.50 kilojoule. So the difference is that del W is 0.57 kilojoule. Since here WA not equal to WB, despite identical end state, work is a path function. It depends on how the process occurs, not just where it starts and ends. The key distinction to remember, so state function such as internal energy U, enthalpy and entropy, so depends on end state only, and path function such as W and Q depends on path. So I hope this is clear. If you have any doubts, drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.